Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Hello everyone. Today we are gonna talk about chapter 1 in the book, which is talking about chart types. The first question is, what is technical analysis? The answer is, technical analysis is the study of price and trend changes in commodities, stocks, futures, and various other market instruments.
Quote number 51. Martin Squart said, "I always laugh at people who say, 'I've never met a rich technician.' I love that. It's such an arrogant, nonsensical response. I used fundamentals for 9 years and got rich as a technician." This is a good quote to remind yourself of the importance of technical analysis. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.